Number 1, plain. He is wearing a plain white shirt. Plain. Number 2, braid. I like to braid my hair. Braid. Number 3, fail. If I study, I won't fail the test. Fail. Number 4, grain. The grain was harvested in the fall. Grain. Number 5, snail. The snail moves very slowly. Snail. 6, paint. What color did you paint your room? Paint. Number 7, sway. The trees sway in the wind. Sway. Number 8, tray. The waiter carried our food on a tray. Tray. Number 9, gray. Elephants are huge gray animals. Gray. Number 10, stay. We had to stay in during the storm. Stay. Number 11, state. My grandpa lives in the state of Ohio. State. Number 12, fake. The museum's fossil was a fake. Fake. Number 13, same. We had the same racing time. Same. Number 14, weigh. The doctor needed to weigh me. Weigh. Number 15, they. They were a good soccer team. They.